Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the weekly market review. We couldn't have the review yesterday night, that's Sunday night. All right, so I said I was going to make a video. All right, so we wouldn't miss out of the opportunities that we have to make money in this week. Okay, so I'm going to go straight to the point, revealing some markets in which I want all of you that are watching this video right now to actually make money from, and send your testimonials as usual, testimonials of withdrawals that you've made, the profits you've made. Okay, all right guys, so let's dive right into the video. The first pair we are looking at is NZDUSD. That's a massive potential. All right, so when I was about making this video, I actually went through some of the currency pairs, and I found this NZDUSD to be very promising, in which you can see on my screen. A fantastic setup it has right here, because market is currently rejecting on the support area, and it's a very strong support. Okay, so with the way we can see it right now, this can tell you that okay, this was a news influence. Now there's going to be a correction, and for us to have that correction, either a candlestick formation gives us an entry, or we have a corresponding chart pattern in that zone. All right, as you can see, we have W, series of W right there. We have reversal patterns of head and shoulder right there. Okay, as you can see, we already have an entry. Okay, so let's go straight down to 15-minute time frame. Okay. Um okay, so this is where market is currently at, and this zone. So let's map it out. All right, so if you're an aggressive trader, you can start buying from here, from where the market is currently at. But if you are dealing with the rules which says you don't have to buy on resistance, you buy support, sell at resistance. Okay, there's a little resistance right here, but the overall picture with what I'm looking at right here is this very simple, is the buy. Okay, and looking at what we have here, we have 28 pips. So if you have a very good account size, like a 10 trade prop account, in case you've not gotten a 10 trade prop account, you know what to do. Either you go to our website, www.fxmediatrade.com, or you just go straight to 10 trade website and include FX Media promo link, which is FX Media 28. Very simple. All right, let me put it right there for you so that everybody can see it, in case you are just joining it for the first time. So we have a promo code to be FX Media 28. So don't forget that. All right. So once you do this, you purchase an account or you fund naturally, you send us a message so you can be added to the VIP signal room. You're not going to subscribe, so it is free. All right. So that's one advantage of you using our promo code, because you get free signals. Okay. So if you don't use our promo code or you don't use our link, you can't have an access to VIP signal. You know what VIP means now? You're going to be getting premium signals. All right, so it's up to you. All right, so if you're just joining in for the first time, or you're coming across this FX Media as a YouTube page, kindly click the subscription button and turn on your notification. Okay, and so let's dive right into the video. We're already in it already, so let's go. Now, like I said, if you are an aggressive trader, you can start buying from here already. But if you want to wait to have a very deep confirmation, you're going to wait for a breakout right here like this. Hey, my pen is white. Let me change it quickly to something visible. All right, so let's use red. A breakout, come for our test, then you ride. Okay, but for me, I'm going to enter aggressively, so I'm going to take a live trade on this video. Okay, so I want to make a lot of money this week. Last week we were able to pull out 2 million plus. All right, so this week I'm looking out for something crazy, and I don't want to withdraw alone. I want everyone who has been following FS Media to withdraw as well. If you're just joining in to follow FS Media, you know what to do. If you don't know how to trade, you have to enroll in the academy. All right, so I'm taking a live trade right here on my 20K account. Okay, okay, I've taken a live trade right there. So let's see how the market plays out. So that's the first market we are looking at, NZDUSD. Okay, so for market to go our direction, it's going to take a couple of days. Hopefully by the end of this week, we expect market to go up to our area. All right, so don't also forget that the fundamentals are good, and also watch out for your high impact news on your currency pair that you are trading for the week. Never forget that. Okay. All right, so what zone are we expecting market to get to? All right, so let's check a 1 hour time frame. Okay, so it's going to take a while to get to that place. It needs to gather a lot of momentum, a whole lot of momentum. For me, I'm swinging this trade. If you're swinging trade, ensure that you are applying the proper risk management very well. So let me see if I can adjust my SL very well. Okay, so for a swing trade, I'll just allow you to breathe around 41. No, down 41 is too much. So I'll just set on the 1 hour time frame. All right, so let me map out the psychological level where price is likely going to come to retest if it wants to take out people. This is the lowest point at which our market went to, so we have this below. So that's a fantastic one. So good trade to enter. All right, so if you watch, by the time you're watching this video, you have to check your chart, your NZD USD. If you still have an entry to buy, sure, you should actually have an entry to buy due to the the higher time frame analysis that shows that okay, market is likely going to buy. The only thing that can change this market direction now are two things: market makers and secondly fundamentals. Okay, we always remember that we are not the owners of Forex markets. Okay, so we are only speculating and taking our trades based on massive confluences. It's not a 100% confluence, but at least it has a win rate of 70 to 80%. All right, so that is it. So let's go into the second pair. I wrote them out so I wouldn't have to start racking my brains on okay, which one are we looking at, which one are we looking at for now. All right, so we've taken out the first one, NZDUSD. So let's look into NZDCHF. That's like the brother of NZD pair. Let me just quickly search it. Okay, have another setup. NZDCHF has a very good setup as well. It came down for a retest on the higher time frame right here, or the retest on the broken support, broken resistance, which has done support. So based on the higher pictures of the market, we're looking out for possibilities of breakouts for the market to continue buying. All right, so we have these levels mapped out already with a temporal retracement down to the strong level. So we move to 4 hours time frame to have much view. All right, so we have market from the W and arrive at this point. So there are two things that are likely going to happen. Either market rejects up this zone and break and continue going down. Let me draw that ASAP. Rejects and continue going down, or it breaks out. If I'm going to buy, it has to break out this trend line for me, come for a retest, give me a candlestick pattern around the zone before I start to think of buying. That is my entry for buy. Okay, I have to wait for a breakout of this trend line before I take my trade. Okay, but in case it just rejects from here and start falling, you could take advantage of the sell. Okay, but when you're taking advantage of the sell, always remember to apply proper risk management. Same with your buy move. Okay, always apply proper risk management. All right, so let's go into the next pair we are looking out for. All right, USDCHF. Okay, so all this I already did the analysis before coming on live so that we don't have so much time spent on watching this video because the market has already opened. So we want you guys to just get the best immediately and see where you can actually take advantage of and make your money for yourself. All right, don't forget to use our recommended book at 10 Trade Africa. Okay, FX Media promo code is FX Media 28 in small letter. Don't forget that giving an advantage of a bonus, a discount, not just a discount for you to benefit in the free signal where we print money weekly. All right, so don't neglect the opportunities that you have. Okay, right below this video you are going to find our link in case you don't know where to find the link. And want to contact me directly, the number is on the it's on our YouTube channel. Just check me out to see my number to get to me directly. Okay, so we've had people that come in from YouTube to message me, and I save their number with YT so that I'll get to remember where the person got our contact from. And you can easily flow with the person. Whenever you're contacting me, kindly go straight to the point. I did not say you should not greet. You can greet, but kindly go straight to the point after your greeting, and don't stop waiting for me to answer your greeting. Okay, because a series of messages coming in. So you send your message and it'll be looked into immediately. Now, what is the trend of this market? As you can see, the trend of this market, I'm going to go to higher time frame because I'm seeing some funny things. Go to higher time frame, which is a D1. Okay, we have a downtrend. This is a downtrend market, a downtrend market. All right. So let's go to 4 hours. Back to 4 hours, because you know that the strategy I use, the top-down analysis, is one of the best strategies in the world. If you don't know how to use it effectively, enroll in the academy. All right, you'll be able to know how to use this very well, because you'll be taught as well. All right, so we have markets trending up, and this market got here, couldn't get to this high. It started failing from here and broke out. Okay, interesting fact. Then as it broke out, we have a W on this zone. Now there is a drag between the buyers and the sellers. Okay. Now we are zooming out to see what is happening right there. So we have candlestick forming, bullish candlestick forming on the neckline. Two bullish candle like this on the 4 hours time frame, and in the next 1 hour 10 minutes, this candle is going to be done forming. And if it's done forming, most likely it's going to buy, since we're currently on the neckline, and it's going to buy up to this level. So let's go to lower time frame. About 30 minutes. So for me, I'm looking at this possibility. This possibility of markets buying to drop. That's what I'm looking out for. Or coming to test this high and dropping from here. That is what I'm looking out for. So let's put in our short positions so you see clearly. All right. Okay, long short position we have here. So always trade with the trend. The trend of the market is your friend. Never forget that. It is your what? Your friend. So this is the first. Hold on. This is the first outlook. Then the second entry point. You don't just trade anyhow. You trade with your sense. Okay. So the second entry around here. So I'm going to box it so you know what we're actually talking about. So first entry and the second entry. That is what it simply means. Okay, so now we can see this. You guys know what we are talking about. Okay, so now let's look at the other direction. What if it breaks out? If it breaks out and gets into this resistance zone that is now formed a support zone, so we wait for confirmations on that. Always remember that final confirmations are what usually candlestick formation. Okay, so that is it right there. Okay, so that's it for USDCHF. So if you have one more pair to look into, if I look into NZDJPY, I think I have. So I think I'm saying GPP, JPY. You know, I love JPY pairs, so I love them. That's my own pair. Everybody has their own favorites. Okay, JPY is giving me more money, but it doesn't mean that it will give you two more money. It can also give you two more money, but there's no anything special. It's just the way I have studied the charts. You can pick the one to study effectively for yourself and master the act of the market. Like I always teach you guys that for the fact that every currency pair has green and red candlestick does not mean that they are 100% the same. No, that's how we have Bombita, Milo, cowbell, and so on. But all of them are under the category of tea, right? Cool. They're under the category of tea, but they have their unique tastes. There's a different taste for Milo, Bombita, Cadbury, cowbell. You understand what I'm saying? So that's what the financial market is. So you pick the one that you master very well, you know, in and out of it. I'm not saying you should pick only one pair. For me, I would recommend that you should not have more than 5 pairs, even though we have some traders that trade only one pair. It's their choice. But for me, on the safer side, you know, have a full understanding of like 5 pairs, and on rare occasions you go out of those pairs on rare occasions. Okay, always apply discipline to whatever thing you're doing in trading. Okay, always apply discipline, serious discipline, because you can create a trading plan and not follow the plan. Is that not crazy? The people actually do a lot of that. They rush the market. There could be weeks that there can be a setup. Yeah, it can be a setup. Doesn't mean you start forcing signal out. If you see that there's no setup, you leave it. If your conferences are not met, you leave it, because non trading is still part of trading. If you just get into the market when you're not supposed to trade and you lose, you'll not be wishing that I shouldn't have taken this trade. And assuming you didn't take the trade, your profit will still remain intact. Your account will still remain intact rather. So non trading is still part of trading. Never forget that. Okay, this forex is very, very sweet, but you have to give it time. You have to, not just give it time, give it the required time. And when giving it time does not mean you should not be slow. No, it doesn't mean that you have to apply consistency. Okay, apply consistency to it. It's very important. And follow this thing with the right knowledge, the right method, the right academy. Do it very well. Forex is for long term and it's not for short term. If you look at it for a short time, what happens to you? You enter inside gutter. Yes, because you'll be having series of losses. Yeah, someone said, I see some mentors say on your first year you are losing all three. Second year losing all three. On the third year you start making money. That's crazy. That's crazy. Very crazy. Because for the fact that that person said that does not mean that is how the forex market is. Now, checking out the consistency with the right knowledge or the wrong knowledge. For him, it could be that he has been consistent with the wrong knowledge for 2 years. Okay, but one who is consistent from the beginning with the right knowledge, come on, it's just a matter of time. And I'm very sure before the end of the year, before a couple of months, things are going to start happening. Even if it's your first $5, $10, $100, it all depends on your account size. Okay, like I said, you cannot compare a 10% of $10,000 account to someone who is trading $1,000 his own 10%. There's no way. The more capital, the more chances you have to make more money in the market. But it doesn't mean you should go and tip. You start from where you are, whichever way place you are. Some persons are fortunate enough that when they get into trading, they're starting with $1 million account, or $1,000 account, or $10,000, or $100,000. That is them. But whatever position that you are, you start with what you have. Always have an investor mindset, because as a forex trader, you should have an investor mindset. You don't always chop your profits. You don't eat it. There are some you still keep, you reinvest, there are some you should withdraw. It's not that you withdraw every profit. You can always forget, if you're trading a prop account, always remember to take out your withdrawals when it is time. Then use it to fund your wallet. Actually, when you make a withdrawal to be in your wallet, you can move it to your traditional trading account, your normal account, and trade it. The idea is to grow your own money and not keeping money inside profit account. Grow your own money with profits, or you can put more money on it. It's inside your own wallet, your trading wallet. Okay, to grow your equity. Because if you're trading a $10,000 real money that is your own, if you make 5%, all the 5% is your own. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, I always teach this so that you'll be on the safer side. I don't want anybody to lose any money. That's why I'm giving you guys amazing knowledge, because of the love I have for people. All right, guys. So I think we are going to draw the curtain right here. Hopefully, by the end of this week, this coming Sunday, we should actually have a market review. That is when there is actually time for that. We'll have a market review just like this one. So with what I have explained, right now. Don't skip this video. Don't skip it. Observe the market well. And me analyzing a few tips of things on the live call gives you an added advantage if you're already trading the financial market. Okay, so it improves your analysis, improves your trade. It's okay. Is this what boss is saying? All right, so I'm likely going to be saying this as well. There's some testimonies, there's some things that have come in that boss, I've analyzed this market already, and it looks exactly as you analyzed it. Cool, that's growth, that's progress, amazing. Okay, yes, we lose in forex trading, yeah, but what makes you a better trader, what makes you a good businessman is that you make more profit than your losses. That is why you are opportune to learn. That is why you're opportune to face the right academy. Okay, so whatever category of trading or trader that you are, you have the chance to be part of FS Media umbrella. All right, so guys, come on. If you don't have a Twitter account, get it. Let's start do something. Start making money. If you've been trading them for too long, repent. Start trading with an account. There is no time. Earn in dollars and spend in your local currency, whichever country you're connected to, whatever African countries. If you're in the United States, you earn in dollars and spend in dollars. You're still on the good side. If you're in Europe, you earn in Euro and spend in Euro. If you're in England, that's United Kingdom, you earn in pounds and you spend in pounds. Cool. We're talking about other currencies that are lesser than these higher currencies that we have. So you earn in higher currencies to spend in your low currencies. All right. So guys, so thank you so much for being part of it. In case you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click the subscription button and turn on your notification. Refer First Media, share the link, post it on your social media handle so you can have more people connect with what we have. All right, guys, thank you so much for being part of this. See you in the next episode. Bye.